Sunday ba, mga anak, natay family reunion with your tita and tito, magikan sa abroad. Niya, pila na to katuig wala ka attend. So, Mark, panginding kamuti, busy mo ang trabaho.
Ma, I don't think I can. This Jen said it's mandatory. Pick ka ayo siguro na.
Pero ya, pila naman katuig. Sige ra kag trabaho. Unsa mas importante pa ang trabaho kaysa pamilya?
Mao gani ya. Sige imong istoryahan, sige ra kag English. Nya imong miliukan, mura na kag apam. Kalimtaran nimo nga Pilipino ka.
It's not like that. At work, I have to be professional. But I'm still your kuya.
Remember lang na ka, bisag asa ka mo adto, bisag unsa imong gigamit nga lengguwahe, balag mag-English ka diha. Basta remember your heart should stay here with us.
I'll try my best, ma. Nagtun ako.
Hey, grabe, Mark. Nindot mga kay kag sigura ng pagtumag ng Amerikano.
Of course, he's the best agent here. Pero usahay, here to service na. Relax lang.
Team, Madam Sarah is very strict this month. Need nga ang result karon, so no time for chika. Business is business.
Kaya no, saan ba? Hindi na ako kung nakamatangin ko. Hindi na tao.
Yeah, we work hard, but we really have to change who we are just to be successful.
That's globalization, Mark. We have to keep up or we left behind.
It's birthday Sunday. The market doesn't start right. Nobody wants to eat stuff.
Madam, with all due respect, Sunday is very special for us. It is family day. It's part of our culture.
Mark, just do it. It's just for the company.
Anak, problemado lagi ka na. Alisan, kulisyo ka rin na.
Mga ate, bunso, they want me to work on Sunday. They say being modern means forgetting our old ways. But my heart says it's wrong.
Kuya, being modern, dili pasabot nga bad na ka. Pwede ka ma-bright, mas successful sa life. Pero ayaw gid wala ang pagrespeto o paghigugma nimo sa pamilya.
Sakto jud ka pe. Ya pwede mo ka mag-English. But you should still have a Filipino heart.
Kabalong mo, inyong lolo sa una, gaingon, dapat pareha mo sa kawayan. O mapiko siya sa hangin, pero dili siya mabali. So meaning ana, dapat, bahala pag magpaka-afam mo, ron sa inyong gusto diha, sa kinabuhi, dapat kabalo mo kung aha mo gikan.
Thank you, ma. I know what to do now.
Ya, kita ka sa kong charger, ya! Ya! Ma! Ma! Si Kuya!
Ala, ang sumi. Aliw ko tawag sa dito. Tabang! Tabang, nak! Nak!
Tahay, mag-busy tayo to sa work, sa kwarta, o sa atong goals na makalimot sa atong kaugalingon o sa atong pamilya. Money is important, but it cannot replace our health, peace of mind, at the time we spend with the people we love. That is why kinahanglan pud nato alagaan atong self, magpaaway ug bantayan atong health. At the same time, kinahanglan pud nato hatagan.
Ya, gikuha na po lima kong charger!
Sino ni siya, uy? Gamumin pagay ko dari.
Unsa kaya? Mura ang kagtalo eh. Unsa po ka diya?
Madam Sarah, Ma'am Jen, I understand. We need to be efficient.
But I believe we can be globally competitive and keep our values. If we're really happy with our family, we work better. We are not just workers, we are humans.
Good one, Lord. That is very good words. Maybe I was too straight to be. You can have your Sunday.
Good job, Mark. Balance is really the key. Yes. Thank you, Mark.
Civilization connects us to the world, but it should never disconnect us from who we are. True success is having the best of both worlds.
Hindi ba? Reunion. Hindi ka maka... Stay here with us.